Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are doing this series to complete the super badge of Apex for Agent Force. And in our previous video we have completed this module and this one project as well. Now for this video we'll be targeting to complete this very short module, that is agent customization quick look, and it has just one quiz, and we have already practically covered the agent customization using the Apex in this, so it is far clear to us that how it is working and how we can utilize it. So if I have already opened this in new tab, let's go through it, and we are having only one unit, that is the customize your agents. Let's get started. So in this we are talking about some of the terms which we are coming across or which we have came across while working with the agent force. So agent actions that we have already seen in the previous video, that is there are certain agent action which we can create, and the resource could be flows, Apex, prompt templates or other things. And then the prompts are nothing but the statements given by the user to make the agent perform. Then these are some of the prompt template types which we are having, such as field generation templates, service email templates, flex templates which we can utilize. Then we are having flows, Apex. So these things which we have already covered to create an agent action. So if we will come to the quiz, our first question is which type of customization is best for the complex automation like retrieving data from a third party service as part of a prompt. First option is flows, second is prompts, third is Apex, and the last one is apps. So C option should be the correct one. Second question is what do flows allow AI agents to do? First option is make changes to your Salesforce data. Second option is repeat previously successful prompts. Third option is designate pathways for customers to interact with the right agent. And the last option is use custom code to create advanced agent actions that you can easily deploy. So first option should be the correct one, that it is allow us to change the Salesforce data or allow us to make changes to the Salesforce data. So let's check. And it is correct, we have completed this module, that is the agent customization quick look. And after this we are having this one link that you can go through. This is the help article given by the Salesforce, that how you can create the custom agent actions using the Apex. So you can get the much better idea, you can do that, and I have already gone through it, so I'll be marking it as complete by just clicking on this button. And if we see that we are only left with this super badge, that is the super badge Apex for Agent Force. So I'll just open it, but we'll be doing it in next video. I'll just open it and see that all the prerequisites are already completed and we are left with the super badge one, and we'll be following this super badge in our next video, so stay tuned. And if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the video, subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, any opinion, any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section, and please refer the description for some of the YouTube videos which are highly searched by other Trailhead users. So yeah, this is going to be very short video, so yeah, thank you, stay tuned.